welcome back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today I have a yarn haul from Premier Yarns. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to show off all the yarn that I got. I did buy this myself. They did not send it to me, but I am now an affiliate sort of with them. So I have a special link and I do earn a commission if you buy anything from their website and you use my link. So I appreciate anybody who decides to do that. It really helps me out and helps me, keep the lights on. So thank you so much if you even consider doing that. I just wanted to get the transparency and everything out of the way. Because integrity means a lot to me. So first up, I have this yarn that I'm very excited about. I have two projects already planned for this. They're actually two of the same yarn. The top and bottom are some of the bloom yarn that my sister picked out for a project that I'm going to make for her, and the color fusion, which I'm really excited about, is for a hat that I am planning. So I will film it so you don't have to worry. You won't have to wait long, I don't think. I've already got the project with the Re-Ply started, but I didn't get enough time to finish it. So this yarn here is Premier's Re-Ply yarn, which I think is so cool. It is a recycled 50% recycled acrylic, 30% recycled cotton, and 20% recycled polyester. And I absolutely love that because I like to be as close to zero waste as I can be. So I got all of these colors. There's also a stray blue, and I'm sure you're thinking, what are you going to do with some rainbow colors? Well, you're going to have to find out in, I think, maybe the next video. I have been working on it, and I just didn't get it done for this week, so you get this video. I'm sorry. I'm really excited to use this. It feels kind of like a cross between cotton and acrylic. It's pretty soft. I really like it. It's a little bit skinnier than the yarn that I normally use, but I'm not complaining. I'm excited to finish my project. I guess small spoiler, I'm having fun using it, so I hope that you guys like the project that I make with it. So I don't know. I'm just pretty excited about all the yarn that I got. And this next bundle, I didn't bundle any of these. It came like this, but hold on one second. I will pause and tell you about each of these yarns because I'm very excited about it. So first is this Basics Trendy. It is just a 100% acrylic yarn. I really like acrylic yarn, but it's sort of color blocky in its color shift. I thought it was really cool, so I'm excited to try that one out. This super pretty blue yarn is Premier Yarn's Karma yarn. It is a 51% acrylic and 34% cotton and 15% nylon blend. It is super soft, and I have started filming with this, but like I said, everything has been chaos and I didn't get anything done yet. And then this purple yarn is a tweed. It is upside down, I'm sorry, but I love a good tweed, and because of budgets I could only get one, so I got this purple one. So there are some more tweets that I'm really excited about, so hopefully I can get some more of those at another time, but I really like this one so far. And next I have this poppy yarn. It was on clearance. There are a bunch of colors still available, but I fell in love with this one. This one is called Cosmos, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to use it. It is quite a bit thicker than the yarn that I normally use, so I'm a little intimidated by it, but I'm also very excited. Oh, and before I forget, the poppy yarn and the spun colors is an 80% acrylic, 20% wool, so skip that if you're allergic to wool. Look at this one. This one is so cool. It kind of reminds me of the Big Twist Supernova yarn that I got a little bit of, but I don't think that's available anymore. So I'm really excited that the spun colors is available. I got the spun colors yarn that I just showed is Sunrise, and this Premier puzzle is called Fresh Blooms. So I'm pretty excited about this one. I have only used the Premier puzzle yarn once before, and look at that pretty color in there. I cannot wait to use this, so I'm very excited. I think those colors are going to work up really pretty, so I'm pretty excited. I also got this peach yarn. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed with the color because I hoped that it would be more pastel peach, but it still seems like good quality, so I'll have to figure out something else for that. I was kind of looking for a replacement of the Big Twist peach that was very pastel, so I'm a little bummed that this one won't work for my original plan, but that happens sometimes, when you can't see it in person before you buy it. That's not Premier's fault. It was just, expectation versus reality, and that's okay. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. But overall, I'm really happy with my yarn order. I cannot wait to show you guys all the stuff that I make with it. And that's that. So thank you guys for being here with me today. I should be going back to more regular uploads soon. So thank you for your patience with that. And that is it. So like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment. Tell me which yarn you're excited for me to use because I'm excited to use all of them. I have already started using some of them. So I'm pretty excited about that. But anyway, that's that. So I will see you guys next time. Okay? Bye.